About this item, Apple approved MFI certified iPhone charger is expressly authorized by Apple MFI to free you from pop-up warning messages. Small and light design iPhone charger block, easy to carry, space saving, put in a backpack, perfect for home and travel. 2-pack 6 feet extra long iPhone charger cable using high quality lightning cable with copper core wire. This iPhone data sync cable can charge and sync data up to 480 Mbps, 30 MB/s, speed, ensuring efficient transfer. And the extra long 6-foot iPhone charger cable allows us to move anywhere and keep it charged. Compatible Apple devices. 2-set iPhone charger with lightning cable that works with Apple iPhone 13/13 mini/13 Pro/13 Pro Max, Apple iPhone 12/12 mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max, Apple iPhone 11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max, Apple iPhone X/XR/XS/XS Max, Apple iPhone 8/8 Plus, Apple iPhone 7/7 Plus, Apple iPhone 6s/SIXS Plus/6/6 Plus, Apple iPhone 5/5s/5C/SE/Apple AirPods and more. Lightning devices. Safe certified and reliability iPhone charger box certified by UL, ETL, FCC, CE, ROHS, is made of high-quality ABS material and intelligent circuit design. Protects your Apple device from overheating, overvoltage, short circuit, and more protection. What you get: 2-pack 5W USB iPhone charger, 2-pack 6 feet Apple MFI certified lightning cable. Please feel free to contact us or raise a Q&A. We would offer the most professional and prompt respond within 24 hours. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: Apple approved MFI certified iPhone charger is expressly authorized by Apple MFI to free you from pop-up warning